Africa vlog number 1. Got my bags here. I'm at Bar train station. Had breakfast at work this morning with some mates before I went, and then yes, off to Heathrow. A change in bedding. Flight is at about 6:20 this evening, and I get to Cape Town at about 2:30 tomorrow. I get to Nairobi at 5 AM and change there to get on a flight to Cape Town. So here we go.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. Get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Okay, I am on the train to Terminal 4 now at Heathrow. I had to get a bus from Hayes and Harlington, which is where, because trains weren't running from there, they're doing some like works on the platform, so yes, but I'm at Heathrow and all good so far. So I'm filming on my Samsung, my phone, just because the camera's in there and it's just effort to get it out, and my phone's always on me. So, and this I think is quite a good camera for vlogging. I don't know, I'll see how it sounds and stuff once I edit, but if I'm looking like over here, it's just because the screen's there and the camera's here, so yeah, I don't know where I'm meant to look, but on my way. Just had to get some stuff from Dixon's because, you know, I spotted my headphones were breaking yesterday and I don't want to be in Africa and then my headphones break, so got them. Also I needed a travel adapter for
departure to Perishable, flight number 1781, final call, now closing at gate 9.
I needed a travel adapter for South Africa. What else? Also, like sometimes you need like an adapter in planes to put your headphones in. So I got one of those just in case, because I don't know. I don't want to get on a plane, want to watch a movie and then not be able to because I can't put a headphone in. So yeah. Food and set the camera up to do a time lapse. My gate gets announced in about an hour, so. More chill time.
Yes, I can. Doubt better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab me, crabs in the bucket can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking what gossip?
Way to gate 3. That is where I leave from. I've just sprayed myself, so I smell very nice. Because you know, got to make the most of that designer stuff and well, the duty free. Because you never know who you're gonna sit next to. And you gotta smell nice. And also moisturiser, because almost that's in my big bag and that's in hold luggage, so freshened for the flight. Alright, we have in-flight meal. Honestly the best part of the flight if you ask me. And Tom in E14 business view. I got white South African wine to drink on the flight. I'm not sure if you can hear me, but there we go. Yeah. Hey, 20 minutes to Nairobi. It'll be like 5:30 when we get there. I'm gonna get some sleep. Yeah, it's about midnight, sort of their time, so I'm gonna try and adjust a bit. There's not a big time difference, but I'll be knackered otherwise. Yes. I am at Nairobi airport. It was an alright flight. I slept through breakfast, which is a bit annoying. So I had to buy a croissant here. Luckily I had US dollars on me, because that's what they use here. Yeah, half an hour till the flight to Victoria Falls and then onwards to Cape Town from there. I'm quite tired. It's like 6:30 here. Kenya's 2 hours ahead, or Nairobi is anyway, than British time. So I've gone 2 hours, I'm going to go back one as well now. So if I don't seem very enthusiastic, it's because I'm so tired. By this evening in Cape Town, I'm going to be hanging.
I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before.
In Cape Town, yeah, for some reason on those last 2 flights, a throbbing pain, like about 5-10 minutes from the end of the flight, just here in my head. Like there's so much pressure, it felt like my head was going to explode, which is a bit worrying. So yeah, I've got a bit of a banging headache right now, but yeah, I'm going to go passport, collect my bag, and hopefully there's a taxi picking me up, ready to take me to the hostel. So yeah.
The mountain top, walk on water. I got power, feel so royal. 1 second, I'ma strike oil. Diamond, platinum, no more for you. That adrenaline, never giving in. Giving up's not an option, gotta get it in. Witness, I got the heart of 20 men. No fear, go to sleep in the lion's den.
Okay, so I am at the hostel. That's my bed. No one else is in this room, but there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 other people, 9 people including me. Seems very nice. And the bed is very comfy. I might have a sleep, to be honest. I'm absolutely knackered. And a shower and change of clothes. And then I need to work out where I need to get food for tonight. I haven't checked the kitchen out. That's upstairs. There's a bar. The swimming pool is full. Even though apparently, well, there's a water shortage in Cape Town. And there's like, use water wisely everywhere. But the swimming pools are all full. Okay, yeah, but yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do now. I will keep you updated. Let's go for Wonder, just get like a breather. I need to go to the shops to get some food. So yeah, there's a spa just down here, so that's where I'm going. Okay, I've got some food. I'm going to do a big I'm going to cook all the pasta tonight and then just put it in the fridge and heat it up when I need it. I've got kidney beans and pepper and onions to go with it. There's paprika in like the free-for-all, and also that's just a snack. Mango flavoured custard creams. I mean, that's pretty cool. I am making some pasta. I'm going to do the whole packet now just because then it's done and then I can reheat it. There's not a microwave, but I'm sure I can just put it in a pan and reheat it. Pepper, 2 onions, kidney beans, and some tomato sauce. I've also got some cheese. Yes. Yesterday's vlog, and I didn't end it. I fell asleep at like 7 o'clock. So yes, I cooked dinner. Then went to sleep, so that's the vlog. I'm not sure when the next one will be. And as always, try to discover this vlog.